Hello friends, my name is Rajendra Mahindra and today I am back with a small but interesting topic about cloud computing, that is benefits of cloud storage. Cloud storage is a service model in which data is transmitted and stored on remote storage systems where it is maintained, managed, backed up and made available to users over the network, typically internet. Users generally pay for their cloud data storage on per consumption monthly rate. It is based on virtualized storage infrastructure with accessible interfaces, near instant elasticity and scalability, multi-tenancy, and metered resources. Cloud-based data is stored in logical pools across disparate commodity storage servers located on premises or in data center managed by a third-party cloud provider. So let's look at few benefits cloud storage offers. The first benefit is usability and accessibility. Most of the cloud services have an easy to use user interface and provide drag and drop facility which doesn't need any expert knowledge. For example, Google Drive from Google or iDrive from Apple. If you have saved a file on cloud storage using a mobile device, you can retrieve that file using a computer or any other device with internet connectivity. Geography doesn't matter, just a good internet connection is required to access these files. The second benefit of cloud storage is security and redundancy. Safety and security is primary concern for any of the business using cloud services. So before choosing cloud service provider for their business, they need to make sure that the service provider is giving them better security. Client data is stored across redundant servers, so even if one data center fails, the data is managed by other data centers, which make client data safe and supervised. If all the data centers of the storage provider get collapsed or destroyed, then only your data could be lost, and this is a rare phenomena because a cloud storage service is formed by thousands of data centers. Some of the cloud storage vendors keep the copies of your data at different data centers, so even if the data get lost or corrupted at the server level, the backup must be there. The third benefit of cloud storage is cost efficiency. By using cloud storage services, the business outsources storage problems to the provider. By using online data storage, enterprise reduces the expenses of internal resources. With this technology, the company saves on power, space, and human support cost to manage and store their data, while the cloud storage vendor handles it all. There are some cloud storage providers which offer cloud storage for a lifetime at an affordable price, which is an attractive offer for small businesses and individuals users. The next advantage is convenience of sharing files. Every cloud storage service providers provide file sharing features which help client to share their files with other users. You can either send a file to another user or invite multiple users to view your data. Mostly, all the vendors provide a cloud environment in which two users using same cloud service can share their data, but a few service providers also offer a cross-platform file sharing features. The fifth advantage is automation. Cloud storage works like a hard disk on your system, and if you want to store any file in the cloud, it will not temper any ongoing task. If more than one user is using cloud storage service, then the current responsibility of one user won't affect the task of another user, since it is all managed and automated by cloud vendor. The next advantage is multiple users. The same cloud environment can have more than one user associated with it. With cloud storage, multiple users can collaborate with common files. For example, you can grant access to multiple users for a single file so that they can access and edit your file. The authorized person can access the file from anywhere in real time. The seventh advantage is synchronization. Every storage vendor gives the synchronization feature with which you can sync the cloud storage data with any device you want. As we have discussed, we can access our data from any device from any geography, which is possible with the help of synchronization. With proper credentials, you can log into your subscribed storage services with any device and access all your data stored in the cloud storage. You don't need to copy data from one device to another, but need a good internet connectivity to access all the files. The next advantage is convenience of usage. Needless to have a hard disk or flash drive to access or view your data. All is done online. However, if you want to download any file or data, you may require a storage device to download that data in your device. For data surfing or data editing, it won't occupy any space on your device. All the changes will reflect on every device which is synced with that storage service. No expertise is also required to use the cloud storage service as all the heavy lifting is managed by the vendor itself. The next advantage is scalability. Cloud storage is scalable and flexible. If the current plan of storage is not enough, you can upgrade their service plan and you don't need to move any data from one location to another. The extra space will be added to your storage environment with some extra features. And the last one is about disaster recovery. Every business has a backup storage plan where they store all the copies of their data. If they encounter any collapse or loss of data, then they retrieve data from their backup plan, and hence cloud storage is the best method to deal with this kind of problems. Cloud storage service provides the best platform for disaster recovery of data, and any business can use cloud storage as a backup storage. So if there is any data loss, they can retrieve the backup data from the cloud. So to summarize, today we saw cloud storage benefits. I hope you like this video. See you in my next video on similar topics. Happy learning.